Integration is the process of taking a variety of different machines, robots, and bring them into one useful system. And we have been able to help quite a few companies add some integration to their facility. One of the things that's been really nice for us about the Method X and the Method XL, if we want to 3D print the part, they're high quality, we can use them in manufacturing, we can use them for R&D. It was just such a no-brainer. I'm Leo Wright. We're here at IME Automation in Hurricane, Utah. We're a young, fast-growing company. This robot is our Sparky platform. We took parts that we already had in-house, we 3D printed the end effector. This got us quickly up and running to test it out. So this is the most recent Sparky that we've made. It's actually going to be installed next week. And what's been really nice is 3D printing has made a lot of this more affordable for our customers. So when the robots pick up the cartons, they're laying down flat, lands on here, it guides it upright. All the tooling for folding it, all 3D printed. We still have the two Method X's, and we use them all the time, but on the smaller parts. And we use the Method XL on all the bigger parts. If we had tried to machine every one of those pieces, no matter what we were machining it out of, it would have cost us a fortune. The three 3D printers are running somewhere between 80 and 90% of the time, and that includes nights and weekends. Probably 90 to 95% of the prints are either ABS or ABS combined with the rapid rinse support material. They just work. When we require support material, one of the nice and easy things here is with this rapid rinse, all we have to do is drop it in the sink, turn the water on. Sits there for an hour or so. Once it's fully submerged in water, we can walk away, and an hour or so later, it's done. We 3D printed this end effector. We do it in a couple of parts. We have a little steel insert that helps keep the thing nice and rigid and stiff as it's moving around at high speed. We've had really good results doing that. We're here at the production facility for Sun Warrior, one of our customers, where we did a multi-robot case packing system. As part of that system, we 3D printed dozens of parts to help with some of the planned design as well as some of the unique challenges that happened after installation.
The customer that we're working with is successful, they're getting better all the time, but they can't afford an expensive engineering solution. It took us about 35 minutes. We got on a CAD program, and then I can send it immediately once I'm done here to Tiny, which is our XL 3D printer. And it's actually printing out for me right now. I can take this right now and go right to our customer and test it immediately.
This end effector here on this box folding robot, we started with a smaller end effector where the suction cups were closer together because that's what the Method X could print. Once we were able to get the Method XL, it allowed us to spread these further apart that will cover the entire long side of the box, and they're absolutely in love with it. This is our touchscreen that controls the whole system. We were able to quickly 3D print a lift to raise the touchscreen up so that we could use these off-the-shelf, more affordable parts without causing any problems. The advantages of this Method series is fantastic for companies like ours. It just works.